Welcome back to our channel. Now we're gonna make this fancy bread toaster. And as you can see, that's a default cube and I divided it into 4. I erased the 1/3 part and start editing the remaining part of our object. And anyway, it is the outer part of our object. It's the outer case. After the layout, you can now start beveling the corners. Now I use mirror modifier, then I enable the Y and X axis to see how it looks like as a whole. Now slowly we are now refining the details of our outer case. I made it into a smooth surface every time to see how it looks like. I change the before shading every time into metallic hard paint to see every faces are looking good. And as you can see, it's now so tempting when it has shiny materials. By the help of this metallic before shading, we could easily see how bouncy these faces are. So by the help of this shading, we could easily find the corners and faces piece by piece. Great job, developers! Now let's start modeling the heater by adding a default plane. I subdivided it to create 4 bread slots. And once again, the power of bevel. Let's make its corners round to make it more realistic. Now for the plastic feet base. And again, it starts from a cube, subdivided into 4, and erase the 3 parts and start editing the remaining part. This toaster modeling is one of my favorite. Yeah, it has a very simple shape, but it's quite challenging by watching and checking every small parts, faces and corners, cause every small parts creates big impact for the whole unit. And since it is composed of shiny and metallic material, I make it sure that everything looks good. If you are interested in 3D modeling, feel free to comment down below and click that subscribe button, and it's my pleasure to answer all your questions for free. Yes, I'll teach you for free. So if you are interested in 3D world, watch my videos and observe my workflows. Now let's go back to the outer case. Let's create new front holes for the switches. As you are still at editing the object, please do not yet click the apply on mirror modifier. No, or else you'll get in trouble, unless you have a copy for that as a backup. So when you feel when you're not finished yet, do not apply. Anyway, mirror modifier is perfect for proportional and balanced designing. Now let's lay out the switch hole cover. Again, mirror modifier is perfect for balance designing, especially modeling cars or even appliances. If you wondered for all the commands that I used, you could revisit my 12 basic tutorial series. There you could understand the basic flows of using Blender step by step, piece by piece, because I made that videos in series in order for you to learn easily, from basic to pro. I'll try to put the links in the description below. Okay, I think we're good on our switch cover. Now it's time for the switch. I intended to make it first as big so that we can easily design it, and later we can scale it down until it fits in the hole. Now for the bottom. As you can see, I started to lay out its cross-section, and later I used the screw modifier. Screw modifier makes your half cross-section shape to rotate up to 360 degrees until it becomes round. Now let's place it to upper portion of the face. thanks for hitting the subscribe button. Next video we also use the screw modifier to make the body of the rice cooker. Let's add some groovy stainless line to make our design looks more elegant. Yeah, to make it more fancy. Well guys, if you never asked, I just made the design on my own. This is not a real product. Like, it's fictional. Haha. I just decided to make it because I'm hungry. But if this product truly exists, I will surely buy it, just for collection. I can't bear to use it, it's so expensive. It's so shiny, like a car. I'll just put it in the cabinet, maybe? Anyway, let's go to digital screen. Again, I made a hole in the outer case and added a plane as text display. We talk a lot, and wow, everything looks great. Now let's check our product. I think I made a case perfectly, and you can see it totally flat, and even the corners are smooth. And yeah, everything looks great. And I hope you like it too. And yeah, before I forget, I also added some triangular textures at the front left side for additional highlights, and that looks cool. So awesome! And finally, here's our finished product. The final video is too long, so I cut it and choose some good scenes. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you like it.